In our practice, when we are trying to find various strategies, techniques, ways of overcoming or abandoning mental defilements, negativity, one of the methods that we can use every now and again, not necessarily on a regular basis, is to go against the grain, to deliberately make things a little bit more difficult for ourselves than we do usually. And that extra effort and that pushing against old habit energy is sometimes the only way to deal with very deeply ingrained habits, things which normally seem to be resistant to our normal techniques that we've been taught. So monks will sometimes, for instance, fast for a certain number of days, reduce the amount of food they eat, perhaps only take rest in a sitting position rather than laying down. It's not that those things are good in themselves or necessarily will lead to any purification, but they're a way of just stirring things up a bit and putting some effort into areas which we find particularly difficult. But it is Buddhist asceticism to the extent in which the goal of liberation is firmly kept in mind, and in which the idea of the middle path is predominant. That means that practice which is the optimum for the goal that one has in mind, both the intermediate goal and the ultimate goal of liberation.